Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back today to share another entry into my 400 Subbie challenge giveaway. And the next entry comes from Create here on YouTube. I'll leave the link to her YouTube channel in my description box below so you can go check her out. Oops, forgot card. Hope you like my entry. I've forgotten cards tons of times when I've sent out happy birthday mail, happy mail, entries. I've had to like reopen packages to stick the card in. And of course I'm gonna like your entry. Kathy, you are so talented. Oh, look at what she's got here. Okay, she added the black cardstock for sturdiness mail. And I can just even reuse this for scratch paper. Wow, okay, this is her memory decks. Look at how cute. With the mini dots. Oh, sorry for the glare. Let's see. Oh, can I open this without? How did you? You probably used something to seal it yourself, huh? Oh, okay, let's see. I got a corner of it open. There, without the... And look, the bag topper, but I can reuse the bag topper on another project as well. Look at the Mickeys. Oh, so cute. I love it, Kathy. Thank you so much. Thank you, girl. And then she's also gifted these die cuts, and it looks like mini bows. And... yeah, some mini bows in all dots. Oh, and then even solid bows. And then these looks like film reels. Oh, thank you so much. I love it, love it. And then let's check out her memory decks. Oh, look at, she has a castle. It says celebrate. This is the back. I love this paper. Love it. This is the front. So see, she used the reel here. It says wish. She has a Mickey head, a castle that she's backed. The glitter is backed by a black cardstock. She has this coming out. It says Mickey Mouse. And yeah, she has Mickey there. So cute. And then it just says celebrate, like I said. And it folds. Her information will fold. And she's born in August. She's from California. Again, she's Creates. Her style is clean and simple. And she loves two-sided foam tape and ephemera. Love it, Kathy. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, for sending in an entry. I love it. So until the next video, hope you guys are having a crafty day. Shakas.